Here's another one of my episodes of Why I Love Living in Virginia. So today we are out and stunting. Me and my best friend and the family decided to hit the annual Strawberry Festival in Ashland, Virginia. One thing I can say, I really like the crowd, but when there's a festival, everybody on their mother come out. Like when I tell you, these lines for food was insane. I was hot, but my stomach was growling. And can we talk about the lemonade in the trash can? Y'all, me not pay for no lemonade for $10 and it come in a garbage can. Sorry. But have y'all ever had fried Oreos? If you haven't, what are you doing with your life? So after I stood up in a line get the fried Oreos, I had to stop at the popcorn stand. Do y'all see how fresh this popcorn was made? Royce enjoyed it. It was really, really good. Ella said she now share with no more. And then on top of it, we had to get the funnel cake. My husband was not leaving without the funnel cake, y'all. Quick note, make sure you come to these festivals with cash, because I went to like 10 stands and they were like cash only, cash only. But other than that, it was really a fun day. This is my